While you were deploying your next JS app thinking about pizza and zero emails, hackers used one bug to own 766 servers in 24 hours. No login needed. Remote code execution. CVSS 10. 0. This was your server exposed. This wasn't some private party crash. This was an automated smash and grab called UAT10608 crawling the entire internet. Your server? Just another IP on the bounty list. The flaw CVE 2025-55182, nicknamed React2 Shell, let anyone lob a poisoned data package at your server functions. No handshake, no checks, just a wide open door straight into your node. JS guts. Once they were in, their multi-stage script got busy. It vacuumed your environment variables, snagged parsed NVES, ripped out SSH keys, and hunted for every password string it could find. 701 hosts lost database creds. 599 had their SSH keys stolen. 196 lost AWS keys. Your secrets weren't just exposed, they were for sale. 87 servers coughed up live Stripe API keys. 66 gave up GitHub tokens. This data dump gives attackers the keys to the kingdom. Direct database access, cloud console control, payment fraud, code theft, and supply chain attacks. Those SSH keys, that's the real nightmare fuel. They're not temporary. They're a permanent backdoor, letting attackers move laterally, surviving app password resets. They own you until they decide to leave. The attackers weren't just grabbing data, they were organizing it. Their Nexus Listener framework came with a slick web GUI, a dashboard for your stolen life, stats, search, victim timelines, and a v3 tag. This was a professional outfit. They left their command and control server dangling. Cisco Talos found it. Login prompt, victim lists, success metrics, all the proof you need of their scale and sneaky tech. This wasn't some zero-day requiring spy-level resources. This was a CTF easy bug dropped on thousands of live servers. Your team skipped the patch because moving fast beat not getting hacked to hell. Vercel, the next. JS maintainers said they were safe because of their routing logic, but anyone running self-hosted Next. JS with Next start or output. Standalone was toast. They eventually patched it. You had to patch your own mess. The vulnerability hit next. JS versions 11, 1, 4 through 13, 5, 6, and all of 14, X before 14, 2, 25, and 15, X before 15, 2, 3. Plenty of time to update, plenty of time to screw up. This is not about one bug, it is about the domino effect. If you also got hit by the Vercel GitHub token leak or the Bitwarden SSH key breach, the attackers now have your full identity. Your email, your code, your API keys, your keys to the kingdom, everything. One critical bug dumped onto thousands of servers, then left wide open while everyone chased the next feature. Your company gambled that hackers wouldn't find it. They did. Patch your damn servers. You left a 1010 vulnerability sitting on your next JS machine. Hackers got remote code execution. They went for everything. And for 766 of you, they won. They call me the AI Godfather because I've seen every one of these coming. Subscribe. Before the next one lands on you. Your server was just another vulnerability waiting to be scanned. Your data, another entry on their spreadsheet. Your negligence, their feast. This is the new normal.